Diversity of pursuits. The world is filled with people engaging in various activities. Some are famous for their work, such as actors, musicians, scientists, and entrepreneurs, while others lead quieter lives. This diversity of pursuits reflects the different passions, interests, and talents present in society.
The rhythm of life. People's lives follow a certain rhythm. Some individuals are focused on their careers, striving for success and recognition. Others prioritize their personal lives, spending time with family and loved ones. There are also those who immerse themselves in leisure activities, seeking relaxation and enjoyment. The world accommodates these different rhythms, offering opportunities for work.
Economic activities, work and commerce are essential components of the world's functioning. People go to work, contributing to their respective industries and economies. Some engage in remote work, while others physically go to their workplaces. Additionally, individuals participate in shopping activities, supporting businesses, and contributing to the global economy.
Progress and development. The world is continuously evolving, with advancements in various fields. Technological, scientific, and cultural progress pushes humanity forward. New discoveries, inventions, and innovations shape the way we live and impact the future of the world. Cyclical nature of life. While the world moves forward, it also experiences cycles and phases. History has shown that societies rise and fall, trends come and go, and there are periods of stability and disruption. Just as the world progresses, it can also regress or come to a standstill at times.
Balance and equilibrium. The world seeks balance and equilibrium in its various aspects. Societies strive to maintain social, political, and economic stability. This equilibrium ensures that progress can continue while avoiding extreme disruptions or crises.
Uncertainty and change. Despite the world's slow and steady progress, there is always an element of uncertainty and change. Unexpected events, such as natural disasters, political shifts, or pandemics, can disrupt the regular flow of life and alter the world's trajectory.
Interconnectedness. The actions and choices of individuals and nations are interconnected, shaping the world as a whole. Globalization and advancements in communication and transportation have brought people closer together. Decisions made in one part of the world can have far-reaching consequences, emphasizing the interconnectedness and interdependence of societies.
Reflection and introspection. The idea that the world will eventually come back and stop at its place suggests a need for reflection and introspection. As individuals and as a society, it is important to pause and evaluate our progress, values, and goals. This introspection allows for personal and collective growth, ensuring that we move forward with purpose and direction.
The human experience. Ultimately, the world is a culmination of the human experience. It is shaped by the actions, dreams, aspirations, and interactions of billions of individuals. The world's direction and activities are a reflection of the multifaceted nature of humanity, with its strengths, weaknesses, and the potential for growth. Amidst the bustling activities and progress, it is essential for individuals and societies to cherish moments of stillness and contemplation, for it is in those moments that true introspection and connection with oneself and the world can be found.
Collective goals and challenges. The world is united by common goals and challenges that transcend individual pursuits. Issues such as climate change, poverty, inequality, and global conflicts require collective efforts and cooperation to address effectively.